Sentinels of Stone, an introduction to Easter Island's enigmatic Moai. Imagine a remote island, thousands of miles from any continent, isolated and mysterious. This island is a volcanic triangle, adrift in the vast Pacific Ocean, a place of rugged beauty and ancient secrets. Here, on Easter Island, stand nearly 1,000 giant stone statues, each with its own unique story. These are the Moai enigmatic figures that have captivated explorers and scholars for centuries, drawing them into their silent world. Their imposing presence, some towering over 30 feet tall, evokes a sense of awe and wonder, standing as silent sentinels of the past. They are a testament to the ingenuity and artistry of the Rapa Nui people, the island's indigenous inhabitants who carved these giants from volcanic rock. The Moai are more than just stone figures. They are symbols of power, spirituality, and community. They are deeply intertwined with the history, culture, and spirituality of the Rapa Nui, representing ancestors and deities. These monolithic guardians, with their solemn expressions and imposing physiques, silently bear witness to a rich and complex past, a past that is still being unraveled. Their existence raises countless questions about their creators, the techniques used to carve and transport them, and the meaning they hold. Questions that continue to puzzle researchers. The mystery of the Moai has captivated imaginations for generations, inspiring stories, legends, and scientific inquiries. How did the Rapa Nui, with their limited resources and technology, manage to create and move these colossal statues? What inspired their creation? What do they represent? These questions remain at the heart of the Moai Enigma. These questions have fueled countless theories and speculations, turning Easter Island into an enigma that continues to fascinate and intrigue scholars and visitors alike. Join us as we delve into the world of the Moai, exploring their origins, their significance, and the mysteries that surround them. We will explore the history of Easter Island, the craftsmanship behind these magnificent statues, and the theories surrounding their creation and transportation, shedding light on the incredible skills of the Rapa Nui. We will also examine their cultural significance and the challenges faced in preserving these ancient wonders for future generations, ensuring that the legacy of the Moai endures. The Enigma of Easter Island, a remote outpost of ancient wonders. Easter Island, also known by its Polynesian name, Rapa Nui, is one of the most isolated inhabited islands in the world. This isolation has contributed to its unique cultural and historical development, making it a fascinating subject of study for historians and archaeologists alike. Located over 2,000 miles from the coast of South America and 1,300 miles from the nearest inhabited island, it is a place of stark beauty and profound isolation. The remoteness of Easter Island has preserved its mysteries and wonders, allowing us to glimpse into a past that remains largely untouched by modern influences. The island's history is shrouded in mystery, with evidence suggesting that human settlement began sometime between 700 and 1200 AD. This period marks the beginning of a civilization that would leave an indelible mark on the island's landscape and culture. The arrival of Polynesian voyagers marked the beginning of a unique culture that would flourish in this remote corner of the Pacific. These early settlers brought with them their traditions, skills, and a deep connection to the ocean, which would shape the island's development for centuries to come. The island's landscape is dominated by volcanic craters, rolling hills, and a dramatic coastline. These natural features not only provided resources and shelter for the inhabitants, but also inspired their artistic and spiritual expressions. Despite its small size, Easter Island boasts a rich archaeological heritage. The island is dotted with numerous sites that offer a glimpse into the lives of its ancient inhabitants. The most prominent features, of course, are the Moai Statues, which are scattered across the island. These colossal stone figures have captivated the imagination of people around the world. But the island is also home to ancient ceremonial villages, petroglyphs, and other remnants of the Rapa Nui civilization. These sites provide a deeper understanding of the island's cultural and spiritual life and other remnants of the Rapa Nui civilization. These archaeological treasures provide valuable insights into the lives and beliefs of the island's early inhabitants, revealing a complex society that thrived in isolation. These archaeological treasures provide valuable insights into the lives and beliefs of the island's early inhabitants. The work of archaeologists continues to uncover new findings, shedding light on the island's past and its people. The Rapa Nui people developed a complex social structure and a rich spiritual life, all within the confines of their isolated environment. They were skilled farmers who cultivated the land despite the island's limited resources, fishermen who relied on the ocean for sustenance, and artisans who created intricate works of art that reflected their beliefs and way of life. In their most enduring legacy, however, is undoubtedly the Moai Statues, which stand as a testament to their ingenuity and artistic abilities. These statues, carved from volcanic rock, are a symbol of the island's rich cultural heritage. These enigmatic figures have become synonymous with Easter Island, drawing visitors and researchers from all over the globe. The Moai continue to inspire awe and curiosity as people seek to understand their purpose and significance. The story of Easter Island is also a cautionary tale about the delicate balance between humans and their environment. The island's history serves as a powerful reminder of the consequences of overexploitation and environmental degradation. Evidence suggests that deforestation and resource depletion played a significant role in the decline of the Rapa Nui civilization. The loss of trees led to soil erosion, reduced agricultural productivity, and ultimately societal collapse. Their story serves as a reminder of the importance of sustainability and the need to protect our planet's fragile ecosystems. Today, efforts are being made to preserve the island's natural and cultural heritage, ensuring that future generations can learn from its history and marvel at its wonders.
The creation of the Moai statues was a monumental undertaking requiring immense skill, effort, and organization. The Rapa Nui people, using only the tools and materials available to them, managed to carve, transport, and erect hundreds of these colossal figures. The sheer scale of the project is a testament to their ingenuity and determination. The Moai were carved from volcanic tuff, a relatively soft rock found at Rano Raraku, a volcanic crater on the island. Archaeologists have identified over 400 moai in various stages of completion at this site, providing valuable insights into the carving process. The Rapa Nui used basalt tools such as toki, hand chisels, and picks to shape the volcanic rock. The statues were typically carved in a kneeling position with their arms resting on their stomachs. Most moai have large heads, accounting for about 3/8 of their total size. They often feature prominent brows, elongated noses, and thin lips. Some moai also have pukao, large cylindrical hats or topknots carved from red scoria, another volcanic rock. The details of the carving process and the tools used are still being studied by archaeologists. However, it is clear that the Rapa Nui people had an intimate understanding of their environment and the properties of the materials they used. The creation of the Moai was not just a physical feat, but also a testament to their artistic vision and craftsmanship. The transportation of the Moai statues from the quarry at Rano Raraku to their ceremonial platforms, some located miles away, is perhaps the most enduring mystery surrounding these ancient wonders. These statues, carved by the Rapa Nui people, are not just monumental in size, but also in the enigma they present to historians and archaeologists alike. The largest Moai, weighing up to 80 tons, posed a significant logistical challenge for a culture with no access to wheels, cranes, or large animals. The sheer weight and size of these statues make their transportation a feat that seems almost impossible by today's standards, let alone with the tools available to the ancient Rapa Nui. How did they do it? This question has puzzled experts for decades, leading to a myriad of theories and experiments aimed at uncovering the truth. This question has captivated imaginations and fueled countless theories and debates. From the use of simple tools to more complex engineering techniques, the methods proposed are as varied as they are fascinating. One line of thought suggests that the Rapa Nui used wooden rollers and ropes to move the statues. This theory is based on the idea that logs could have been placed under the statues, allowing them to be rolled across the island. This theory proposes that the statues were placed on platforms and rolled across logs, with teams of workers using ropes to pull and stabilize them. The coordination and effort required for such an operation would have been immense, involving a large number of people working in unison. However, this method would have required a vast amount of timber, and Easter Island, even in ancient times, was not heavily forested. The scarcity of trees raises questions about the feasibility of this approach. Another theory proposes that the statues were moved in an upright position using ropes and rocking motions. This method, often referred to as the walking method, suggests a different kind of ingenuity. This walking method, popularized by experiments conducted by archaeologist Thor Heyerdahl, suggests that the statues were tilted from side to side and moved forward using ropes attached to their heads. The technique mimics the way one might move a heavy refrigerator by rocking it back and forth. While this method has been demonstrated to be possible, it is still debated whether it was the primary method used. The practicality and efficiency of this technique in the context of the Rapa Nui's resources and environment remain subjects of ongoing research. Other theories suggest the use of sleds, ramps, or even the manipulation of the statue's center of gravity to facilitate movement. Each of these theories presents its own set of challenges and requires a different kind of resourcefulness. The lack of conclusive archaeological evidence leaves room for speculation and debate, adding to the allure of the Moai mystery. As researchers continue to explore and experiment, the story of the Moai remains a captivating puzzle, inviting us to ponder the ingenuity and determination of the Rapa Nui people.